Hey Divas, and welcome back to the blog. In today's video, ladies, I will be sharing my entire family room with you. Now, you know what? I spoke to you ladies in another video in reference to bringing the outside in. That's what this series is entitled, Bringing the Outside In. And what I did, I decorated my family room with all the beautiful colors of fall. You have your burnt orange, your greens, your whites, your creams, whatever color that God has blessed the world to look like during the fall season. This is what you're going to see. So right now, ladies, you are looking at one of my sideboards. Now, I didn't have to buy a lot, but I did pick up a few new pieces, and I hope you like the video. Ladies, don't forget to do your girl a favor. Go ahead and like the video, share it with somebody, and most importantly, subscribe. So, and here's the thing, ladies. We are now on, what are we on? We are now into the watch hours. Guys, the majority of us have exceeded the 1,000, a lot of us have, and now we're into the watch hours. So do your sister a favor. Watch this video in its entirety. Like I said, go ahead, like it, share it, and subscribe. I appreciate you, Diva, so much. I thank you and I love you, and I will see you soon. So go ahead, enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you later.